If only we could create custom clouds designed specifically for our scene. Well, we actually can, thanks to the new cloud generator inside of the V-Ray Sun. All you need to do is enable them from here and you can start customizing your own clouds. By increasing the density parameter, you can increase the amounts of clouds in your scene. The variety parameter creates clumped up or patchy clouds. In this case, we increase the value so our clouds got spread out. The cirrus amount is responsible for the rows of faded out clouds. By increasing the thickness of our clouds, they will start looking very heavy, just like when it's about to start raining. And the height corresponds to the altitude of the house. If you want to change the position of your clouds, you can use the offset X and Y parameters. When you feel satisfied with your cloud variation, you may want to simulate a cloud animation, which you can do so by enabling the dynamic clouds. There we have options like wind direction and wind speed, which you can tweak so you get the right animation for your scene. Note that the clouds you generate will interact with the volumetric lighting, which is used to create God rays. And just like that, we easily created the right atmosphere for our shot. But you probably noticed that all of a sudden our scene became very dark. That's because when we increased the altitude, the sun got blocked by the clouds. To make our scene properly exposed, let's turn the auto exposure value parameter. In V-Ray 6, we now have a light cache in the interactive production render, which means that now you can get an auto exposure while rendering interactively. All you need to do is check this button here. But the most important benefit of having light cache in the interactive production render is that now your production renders will look identical to the interactive ones.